Let's start by defining cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources. These resources include servers, storage, backup, network, and security, all managed under a single point of control. This environment is accessible to multiple users, whether they're working together in a single entity or from different entities for personal use. Now, there are two main cloud architectures. The first is the enterprise private cloud. This setup involves designing and implementing cloud resources within a single enterprise data center to serve the enterprise's employees and customers. This private cloud operates independently without relying on external providers or vendors. We'll delve deeper into this later. On the other hand, we have the public cloud. In this setup, cloud resources are owned by a provider and are made available from data centers located worldwide. This architecture is known for its accessibility and scalability. So, what are the benefits of using cloud computing? Let's examine it from two perspectives: the business and technical angles. From a business perspective, reachability is key. Users can access cloud services from anywhere, be it their office, job site, or home. The cloud also allows us to provide services to different business units while sharing infrastructure resources, thus reducing costs. Additionally, the cloud offers metering capabilities for financial reporting and a pay-as-you-go model, eliminating the need for lengthy budgeting cycles. Now, let's look at the technical benefits. Cloud computing automates the entire lifecycle of resources, from onboarding to decommissioning. Governance policies can be applied to specific events, such as managing software licenses. Operations like startup, shutdown, restarts, patching, and updates can all be fully automated. Furthermore, cloud customers have a comprehensive view of their infrastructure resources, including event, performance, and capacity management. With replication enabled, you can establish a fully automated disaster recovery setup for business continuity. Integration of automation and monitoring allows for seamless failover and fail-back operations. Policies and procedures can also be automated to ensure the highest level of governance. Cloud is designed with security in mind, but additional policies can be applied to enhance security further. From a development standpoint, cloud offers seamless integration with continuous development tools, completing the DevOps cycle for software releases. This integration has become foundational for modern businesses. In the next section, we'll explore the cloud fundamentals. Stay tuned for some fascinating insights.